Hi everybody and welcome to my pop-up video. So we are going to do some jewelry. We're going to do 20 more of these. So I have 10 for this video and then I'm going to do another 10 on another video. And the reason I do it 10 each is just easier for me to take the claim. So the llamas and the jewels are not for sale. I just love them so much. So let me bring you over here and we'll go through the first 10 on this side. Now remember on these jewelry pop-ups, all of the pieces are going to come in a little purple box, a little Jessica's Jewels purple box, okay? So anything that's in a blue container will come in a box like that. Maybe not this one because it won't fit. As long as it fits in the purple box, it will come in the purple box. So this is a choker style necklace. This one is 726. Now all of these are vintage pieces that have been stored by the jeweler for many, many years. Depends on the piece how long they've been stored, but anywhere from 10 to 40 years. 726. This one's $10 and they're all different. So this one has like the circle. It has the adjustable at the top, so we got the metal circle, and then the amber colored bead, and then the pretty jeweled ones. And this has an adjustable here, so you could, if you wanted to, make it a little bigger if you needed to. Would be pretty easy, but very pretty. And I'll show you the other side. So gorgeous piece. And this one here is 726, $10. So these were essentially all samples that they would keep stored properly. So when they were selling pieces to other businesses, they would show the samples, and then they would sell them, but they would custom make the order. So these were the samples for those custom make orders, and that's what we're looking at. All right, let's move on to another one. Okay, this is a bracelet. This one will need a little cleaning, but it's still beautiful. And again, these are all vintage. So 725. This one's $9. It's a bracelet. Look how gorgeous it is. With the beautiful pastel colors. All the stones are intact. So I think just a little jewelry cleaner would clean this up and shine it really nice, but you can see it's still very pretty. And then of course, it's all hand soldered. You cannot machine solder. So anytime you see something that's soldered, it's going to be handmade, which is such a blessing and so fun. And then it's got the little clasp here. And it just goes like that. So if you wanted to extend it, you certainly could. So that bracelet, $725, $9 on that one. All right, next one. Another choker style necklace. And this one has the bejeweled at the bottom here, or at the center. And then it's got the brass chain, and then the clasp. You just push here, and then it comes right apart. Easy to put on. And I'll show you the other side too. Ooh, my rooster. And this one is $8 on 729. $8 on 729. All right, next one. Oh, I like this one. It's kind of like a pendulum. So it's got the chain and then I think a glass pearl. I think it's glass. And then it's got the little point at the bottom. I think you could use it for a pendulum. You know, if you want to know if someone's pregnant, whether having a boy or a girl, if it circles like that, oh, if it goes straight like that, it's a boy. And if it circles, it's a girl. And so this comes just like you see it. This one's only $6 on number 744. $6 on 744. Oops, sorry. All right, I have a beautiful chain. I have a longer chain here. This has paper mache beads and glass and copper. This one is number 724. $8. Let me give you a closer look. So some beautiful embellishments. Now all of these parts and pieces you're going to find in the jewelry making supplies that we've been going through. Actually, I think we found these already. And this is all glass copper. The purple one. This looks like a brass chain. It's got the clasp here. It's a longer piece. Very pretty. And if you like this one, it's only $8. $8 on number 724. 724 on that one. Okay, and then the next one is this one. I love this one. I love the dark colors on this. And this has, again, the brass chain and the beautiful Swarovski crystals. And this one is 741. 741 is $18. So this also is going to be a choker style. Nice bright colors, beautiful crystals. So it's in good condition. And then, of course, hand soldered on the back. And then this clasp is the one that I have on this one. So you could change the clasp if you needed to. If you wanted to make it a little longer, it wouldn't be difficult. So that one is $18 on number, oops, on number, so it goes like that. Number 741, $18 on that one. All right, next up, some of these sometimes come with the jeweler's notes, which is just like a list of like pieces that they need to put the piece together. So this one happened to have it. So if I do find it, then I will leave it with the piece, and it doesn't have a lot of information, but it's fun to have anyway. So this is another gorgeous piece made with genuine vintage Swarovskis, and another vintage piece, hand soldered. This one is only $15, and it's $893. $893 on $15. Comes with like a photocopy of their notes. So it's just a fun thing to have. I don't really understand what it means, but it gives you all the parts that you need, the pieces that you need to make it. Gorgeous. And this one, $15 on $893. $893, $15. All right, next up I got this one. Another older piece. So this one is very unique, 723, $8. And so it goes this way like this. Another choker style. So it goes like that. And I'll give you a close-up. It's got all like the ball points and the little blue Swarovskis. And then the other side. And this clasp here is one of those, you slide it in and close it like so. So that one, oh, let me show you the back. And also hand soldered. 723, this one is $8. 723, $8. All right, two more, and then we'll stop this video and we'll do one more video. Okay, so this is a cute bracelet. It does need a little cleaning. Most of these pieces are going to need a little clean. They're all vintage. So if you just throw them in even at just a jewelry cleaner that you can get off Amazon, it'll shine it right up. It's really quite easy. But I have too many pieces to do it for you, so I'll let you do it. I try to keep the prices low. So this one here has a bunch of charms on it, like sea charms. You got a beautiful starfish, another little, like a sand dollar, a fish, an anchor with red Swarovskis. And this one here has that clasp. There's a little seashells, the clasp that you clip in here. And this is a bracelet. This one is $885, $7. $7 for this cute charm bracelet. And again, this is a vintage piece. How cute is that one? All right, one more. I have this longer chain. This is all glass. Very pretty piece. This one is $10. It's going to be number 897. 897. $10 for this one. And it's a longer one. So you could I suppose you could double it up. It'd be a little short around the neck, but that's okay. Sometimes that's pretty. But it has this kind of clasp, so if you wanted it a little bit longer, you certainly could make an adjustable on it. And it's got the beautiful glass crystals. And these are all glass. So $10. $10 on number 897. 897 on that one. All right, well, that concludes this jewelry pop-up for today. I will have one more jewelry pop-up we're going to do today, and then I'll be live tomorrow in the morning. Thank you for watching.